everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial with this palette here that you see. It's from the brand Lashes, and it includes 9 colors, 9 matte colors. As you can see, you have your little cream shade, and then you have your like more purpley pink shades here, and then your brown shades down here. So this would be a perfect palette for, like, let's say every day. You're able to turn a day look into a night look just by adding like a dark brown, for example. And this is also perfect for like someone starting out in makeup. I will be also using their brush set, which includes 7 face brushes and then 7 eye brushes, as you see here. And they are really soft. I did a tutorial using these already, but it is in Spanish. I don't know if y'all know, but I usually do tutorials in Spanish, but I have been having people who follow me on Instagram and Facebook who have been wanting me to do a tutorial in English. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm not going to be exactly talking through the video and telling you each step. What I'm going to be doing is you're going to be seeing what I'm doing, but then I'm going to have to do a voiceover. That way I can still keep doing my videos in Spanish, and all I would have to do is just change, the language of me speaking, and that way I don't have to redo the whole look and do it in Spanish. Okay, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Leave your comments down below, and I'll be sure to comment back with the answer. And yeah, and if you have any looks that you might want me to recreate, you're able to tag me. You can tag me on Facebook or Instagram, and when I have time I will go ahead and do them. Also, what else? Every product that I use, I will always have it listed on my Instagram page, which is jcouture7, as well as on my Facebook page, which is Jeniffer. But I will have the information down below in the description. So yeah, let's get started. So from here on, I will be doing a voiceover. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Okay, so as you can see here, I have already primed my eyes with concealer, and now I'll be going in with this cream shade and going to be using that all over my eyes just to set that concealer instead of using translucent powder, which you can do that as well. This is the brush that I used. Okay, so this mauve pink shade will be our transition color, and I'm going to be using this blending brush. So here you see just me blending the color, and then here it's a little bit darker now because I added layers. So now I'm going to be going in with this burgundy dark shade with this other blending brush, which it's more compact. It's a stiffer brush, so it's going to really let you concentrate the color. So here I am concentrating it in the corner of the eye and then bringing it in, as well as darkening it. And now I'm going to be taking that first brush just to blend out all the harsh areas. Here I am going to be taking this brown color using that same stiffer brush that you see here, going to concentrate it in the corner of the eye, and then I'll be grabbing this new clean brush, grabbing more, and then I'm going to be using it in the crease just to darken up this look. And here I'm just going to be adding more until I get to the intensity that I want. It's going to be up to you how dark you're going to want it. Once again, I'm taking that first brush just to blend everything out. And now I'm here taking that first color. Since we did lose some of it from all the blending, I'm going to be adding more in. That way we can still see that color. Then I'm taking that color once again, that dark brown, and then as well adding more since we did lose that color as well, because we don't want to lose the intensity of that dark color. So we're just basically repeating the steps twice because we are wanting to get to the intensity that we want, but we also don't want to lose that light pink shade that we first added. Here I am adding some matte concealer to my crease, and I'm just creating a half cut crease, and that's where I'm going to be applying this cream shade that I'm about to show you. So this cream shade, I'm going to be adding it on the lid with this e.l.f. brush. As you see here, it's just going to go on the area where I added the concealer. So now I'm just going to be taking this crease brush to blend out that dark color into that cream shade. That way we don't see where one color ends and where one begins. Here I'm just blending some more with that brush we used the pink shade with. Here I'm just grabbing another clean blending brush and adding this light brown color. As you see, I'm just applying it where that dark shade ends and where the cream shade begins. And we're just gonna be blending it out with our fingers. And I'm gonna be going in and adding more dark brown to that corner of the eye and blending some more. And here I'm just cleaning the brush with my hand because I didn't want to get up. So now it's time for the lashes. So here I'm curling them, adding mascara, and then adding these wild lashes in the style 3D08. And I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetics eyeliner brush and going to be adding some of that dark brown color into the inner corner of the eyes. And also adding this cream shade onto the brow bone and inner corner, which I ended up putting a some of the highlight that I used, which was from Wet n Wild and Precious Petals, in the inner corner, but it was just, you know, an option just in case you wanted to keep the look all matte. So now I'm going to be adding all the colors we used up top on the lower lash line. So I'm going to be adding this pink shade here, which was the transition color we first used, and I'm going to be adding that one first. And then after each color I add, I'm always going to be blending it out. So here you see me blending it out. Now I'm going to be taking this lighter brown color, and that's going to be the next color that I'm adding. And that's the brush that I'm using to blend out. So as we go up in color, I do get closer to the lash line. With that last color that I used though, I only used it on the corners of the eyes. I didn't go all the way in. So here you just see me fixing my brows, since I did get makeup on them. So yeah, I just grabbed the product that was left on the brush to fix them. Okay, so this is the final result, and these voiceovers are kind of hard, so hopefully with time I get better. But anyways, I hope you liked the video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.